That was the target of this
Scare
attack.
Cinna with the tornado siren?
I kept it in a secret room in Waynon House. We need to go see if it is safe.
I actually have it ready. I've kind of lost track of it at my previous house, but I put it in my desk here. Wait, should I do it? Okay, I'll do it.
Oh my god, stop singing. Yo, just because you said that, I'm gonna sing you a song. Never mind, shut up.
She seems pretty stressed right now.
What the fuck is that? Is it my fan? Yeah, just know I'm getting you back. Yeah. Hey, Emmy, by the way, you should play this game called The Huntsman really soon.
Oh, okay, maybe, bye.
That scared the... I thought it was my fan. I genuinely thought, what did she have that was making that noise? Because it sounded like, when it was echoing, it was from my fan. So I thought that my fan was like fucking up. So I went to go turn it off, and I turned the corner, and I saw her. Yeah, I'm getting her back.
The siren was not very scary, but it was when she saw me crouching on the stairs.
Do you think she'll shoot me if I dress like a burglar and bang on her window? maybe I can't do that. It has to be obviously me, so she doesn't shoot me.
Yeah, the siren just like lured her over, I guess.
Oh, so Bonnie and Emmy today, huh? That's what we're doing? That's what we're doing. They're lucky that I don't have a door. They are so lucky.
Uh-oh. Lucky, she says.
Meow, meow, meow.